All right, so you want to hand wax your car in minutes. This applicator here is made out of velvet. This is what you want to put on your car. You've got a 90,000 or below, right? It works on any car. However, velvet, black wax. Check this out. You just simply pour it on there. And you wipe it on the car like lotion. You get tired, just stop anywhere and pick it back up. Hit the windows, and like I said, so the whole car has been covered. Took me about 2, maybe 3 minutes. And how you know that the wax is finished or ready to take off? You can take it off with your fingers. Look at that. Take it off with your fingers. No effort whatsoever. Just take it right on off. Check this out. Get the black kit today, Prince Products.